How's it going, YouTube? Today we were working on a Dodge Charger. This one's a 2020 and it's a Scat Pack. It shouldn't matter for the previous years on the ones afterwards, and with it being a Scat Pack, they should all be about the same, whether it's a V6 or a Hellcat or whatnot. Pretty simple door panel to take off. There is one little trick with the weather strip that I'm gonna have to show you guys. But as in screws, you should have 3 screws and a pin. So you're gonna have 1 screw behind the door handle, you're gonna have 1 screw underneath the cap behind the grab handle, and then 1 screw in the side over here, which we'll go ahead and take out. So just 1 screw in the side that has like a little suction cup. So we'll take that out. As for the door handle cover, don't start at the back, start at the front. There's gonna be a bigger gap and it's easier to take out. And try to use a pick as well. You can use a flathead, but you might risk damaging it. So try to use a pick if you can, and kind of weasel it underneath there, and then turn it sideways. And you'll see me struggle here for a little bit, but it will pop free. Just like so. And as you can see, it's this black plastic, so if you use your pick, you might risk scratching it. So just kind of dig into the corner at the top, and it should pop free. And then the next cover is gonna be behind this grab handle. I'll go ahead and try to show you guys. It's just right in here. So you're just gonna kind of use your pick, kind of wiggle it in there and just kind of pop it free. All right, we got that cover. And then you're gonna have 1 pin. With this pin, don't push it, this little centerpiece, all the way in. You just wanna barely kind of touch it. And I'll try to do this with 1 hand, holding the camera. But just barely poke it in, and then it'll kind of wiggle free. But you see how this pin's kind of falling out the backside? You definitely don't want to push it all the way through because you'll risk it actually falling into the door frame itself. Just kind of poke it 1 time, you'll feel it click, and then just pull the actual pin out. All right, now that we've got the covers off, we'll go ahead and get our 2 screws out. All right, now that we have our 3 screws out and then our pin as well, we go ahead and pop the panel free. You can use a plastic pry tool and kind of reach underneath here. On the Dodge Charger, there's usually a lot of room, so you can kind of put your fingers down below. Just kind of start at the corner closest to the cab and just pop the bottom like so, and then kind of work your fingers around the sides. All right, the hard part's not popping the door panel off, but it's going to be the weather strip kind of comes off with the door panel, and also you have your lock pin up top right here, so you'll kind of see how I'm prying up on the door panel, and it's actually want to go over the lock. So make sure you don't mess up the lock. So this door panel is going to come up and over the lock, but you're going to be fighting this weather strip, and I'm kind of show you guys here right now. So just get on the bottom and just kind of pry up. Just be mindful of the lock. Alright, so we got the door panel off. Now I want to go ahead and show you guys that sweep. As you can see, it came off with the door. So I kind of give you guys a better view of that real quick. Alright, as you can see, the panel was popped off and this weather strip came off with it. It clicks into the panel. You should have 4 pins. So you're going to have, my camera will focus, you're going to have 1 there, 1 here, another one, and then this one's actually already starting to come out. They're pretty simple to take out. There's just a little clip on the bottom. Let me get the 4 out and I'll kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, here's that strip I was talking about and those 4 tabs. They're pretty simple to take off the frame, or off the panel, I'm sorry. They just click right off. Now when you go to put the door panel back onto the car, you're going to put this back on the frame. So you're going to see this little blue edge right there. Just kind of stick it back into place. As you can see, it just snaps right back in. But make sure you have this weather strip off the door panel and back onto the car, because this door panel is actually going to snap back into place whenever you go to reapply the door panel. But besides that, the rear door is the exact same way. Same thing with the weather strip and everything. It's just 2 less screws. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the video out here, guys. Hope I was able to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.